Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to send invoice with PayPal. Alright, as you can see here, I'm now logged into my PayPal account. So what we're going to do here is just basically navigate to this section right here. That, as you can see, there's an option called create an invoice. Alright, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. And as you can see here, in this section, we can edit our invoice. Well, the first thing that you need to check here is that when you go to more actions right here, you should edit your business info if you want a more customized invoice. All right, say for example, we're going to want to add some logo, for example here, like this one. All right, as you can see, the business name, for example, Fix Me, first name and last name, also your website if you want to, and tax ID, phone number if you want to add to as well, of course your email and address. You can also add some additional info right here. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and hit on save. All right, as you can see here, let's say for example, we're going to create a new customer, or just select whoever it is in your contacts that you want to send an invoice. For example, this one right here, Mr. AJ. What we're going to do next is just, what are they paying for? An item name. Let's say for example, you fix his computer. For example, computer service. All right. Click on this one right here, create new item, computer service. All right, then select services as it is on the services area. If you want to type in some hours, for example, 8 hours, rate would be 2,000, which is, you can change the currency right here at the bottom. All right, for example, maybe 50 bucks. All right, as you can see here, it automatically computes per hour. 50 bucks per hour equals to $400 US. All right, as you can see here, you can also add the address if you want to ship something. All right, when you click on it, this one will show. All right, just go ahead and fill this up and hit on save. Once done, if you want to add some additional notes and attachments, just go ahead and do so. Terms and conditions right here, you can go ahead and type it down right here. Reference number, memo to self, and upload some photos if you want to as well. All right, including PDF, PNG, GIF files, or JPEG. Now, once you're done with that, just go ahead and hit on send. And when you send it to the person, he will be able to see this particular preview. All right. Like for mobile, this one will show. All right. As you can see, another one, email preview right here. The person will be able to click on this link right here, which is view and pay invoice. And again, the PDF preview. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.